Hello everyone, I'm Sunshine Raindrop, and this is the...
Quit yapping, you trap!
Whoa, I do not appreciate your tone of voice.
Well, you better get used to it, honeybee.
Well, okay then, let's continue.
Yeah, it's about time.
So, Mrs. DuBose, how do you like living in Macomb County?
I hate it. I can't wait till I die.
Well, that's a little harsh. Why do you say that?
There's too many nigger lovers. That's why I keep my shotgun on me while I sit on the porch.
I'm sorry to say, Miss DuBose, but we do not say that word on my show.
Well, why didn't anybody inform me?
I'm sorry, we just thought you knew.
Well, don't assume things. Know things.
Well, I'll make sure my staff is more on top of things next time.
Can we just continue?
Gladly. How do you feel about all the talk about Boo Radley?
I think it's stupid and pointless like life.
Oh? Why do you think life's stupid and pointless?
Because all life's ever done for me is get me addicted to morphine and make me old.
Tell us more about your addiction.
I've been addicted for years, but I'm trying to get off.
And how are you trying to get off?
Well, you see, a while back, my neighbor, Atticus, his son Jim, cut up all my flowers.
Okay, go on.
Don't interrupt me.
Oh, well, you paused. I just thought...
I was just taking a breath. And what did I say about assuming things?
I'm sorry, it was just a misunderstanding.
As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by Miss Raindrop. My neighbor's son Jim, he cut up all my flowers. So to repay me, he has to read to me. It gives me a distraction so I can take my medicine later and later.
Oh, that's actually a really good idea.
I know, that's why I do it.
So what's your next step?
We just wait, I suppose. And why do you have to know everything anyway?
Well, it's my job.
Well, get a new job. You're annoying.
Well, actually, I quite like this job, and I don't really care for your opinion. You're an old fart who has no friends or family. Miss DuBose, are you okay? Well, that's all the time we have today. I hope you have a peaceful evening.